There you go. From Manila, I want to come to Dubai on August 2. That's good. The return is on August. So I've chosen, you have three options here. So you can choose a round trip, you can choose one way, you can choose the multi city. So I've chosen the one way, sorry, the round trip. Find the flights. Click on find the flights. So here it's give you always the simplest give you three options. The first option is go basic, go easy, go flexi. So I'm suggesting you guys, as a travel agent, you always go for the basic because on the next step, you can customize anything inside your booking. For example, you can customize your food, you can customize your baggage, you can add anything you want in the booking, you can remove anything you want. If you choose this go easy or go flexi, so this is preset bundles. So this one, if you go to the next step, you cannot change anything in the booking. You cannot add baggage. You cannot remove the baggage. Even later, after you purchase the ticket, you cannot change anything in the ticket because you're purchasing a bundle. This one, the price is same. There is nothing different in the price. So you always go for the basic. So I'm choosing the basic from Manila, Dubai. And down here, Dubai Manila, I'm also choosing the basic. And the next step is continue. So it shows 14,700. Remember 14,700. You can see the price here. Continue. Okay. So here in this step, continue as a guest. So we just give a name, for example, Miss who? Milene Mirano, the last name. Sorry. And date of birth. This is an example, so you can give any name, no problem, and nationality. And most of the customer was asking me, can we book a ticket, a Cebu Pacific ticket, without passport? Because normally their passport was in process, so it will take time. So they were trying to get a cheaper ticket, so the passport was not ready. So they were always, had doubt. Can we book a ticket, a Cebu Pacific ticket, without passport? Yes, you can. Now I'm showing you how. There you go. So you can here you have passport information, but it's not mandatory. You can book it only by the name. So for the Cebu Pacific, you need name, date of birth, nationality. That's it. That's enough. There you go. Next. There you go. We recommended add-on. Okay, add it. So they already add the flexi, so they charge you more for this one. So this is for date change fee if you want to do the date change, so you have two times free date change. No, I don't want this one. I want to remove this one. There you go. And from the another flight, almost remember there is two flight, Manila Dubai, Dubai Manila. If you remove from one flight, it's two separate. This is the tricky part. It's two separate. So from Dubai Manila, also you have to remove. There you go. So they add insurance in my ticket. Travel smart. Secure your trip for the minimal fees. I don't want insurance. They charge me say almost 50 dirham. So at almost 2,000 pesos. Now they're charging me for pesos. 2,600 pesos for insurance. No, I don't want insurance. This is the extra charges in the booking. I don't want insurance. See, still it's not the same fare that it was showing before. So because it's that they added seat in my booking, they charging for this one. See, added. So I have to change this one also. See, 500 pesos they charge me for seat. So remove the seat selection. Always remember there is in return flight there is two sector. So we remove the first one. So another flight. This was Manila Dubai. Dubai Manila is still not removed. So I want to save the changes and it will take me to the Dubai Manila flight. Remove the seat selection. Remove it. So we save 1000 pesos here. This is big money. There you go. This is free at the airport. If you request any seat, they can give you. So when you go to the counter, you can tell them that I want aisle seat if it's possible, please, or I want window seat if it's possible, please. They will give you. They don't have problem. If it's available, they will give it to you. You don't need to pay for that. Okay, again, see now it's 14,000. Yeah, in the baggage part. So let me tell you. Now we have the baggage here. If you want to add baggage, you can add baggage here. So I want to add 20 kilo in this baggage. Remember again, it's always two flight. Now I'm adding on Manila Dubai flight. 20 kilo is 1,800 pesos. It's added. So Dubai Manila, the return, I have to also add 20 kilo. There you go. I have baggage now in my booking. So 20 kilo baggage I have in Manila, Dubai, 20 kilo from Manila to Dubai. Okay, this is already added. So we go to the next, continue. No. So the next step, this is the travel tax. So I'm just suggesting for you guys to pay it in the Philippines. It's much easy, you know. It's same procedure. So if you pay it, but in the airline or if you pay it in the airport, you have to show the documents. It's same. So I prefer to pay at the airport. Okay, continue. I'm not paying the tax here. Here is the details. It will tell you the all detail of your flight. There you go. Confirm. So now they're asking the telephone number. You can, if you're in UAE, you can choose the UAE number. There you go. So you have to put the UAE number. You have to remember to give the correct number always in your booking in case anything happened to the flight is delayed or the flight is departing early or there is cancellation. So the airline should be able to contact you directly. So anytime if you're booking by yourself or you're booking in a travel agency, you have to give your correct number. You have to give your active number. Okay, that's an example. So here's asking you the email, so I can give my email. Oh, this is not the correct email. Just this for practicing. Oh, there you go. This is my email. Oh, this is not incorrect. Example. Okay. .co. So example. Okay, there's the another important part in this video, the payment method. How you want to pay this one? Most of my customers, they were, or most of the people, they're going to the travel agency to buy their ticket because they don't have any bank account. They don't have any credit card or debit card. That's why they want to go to travel agent So here, Cebu Pacific, most of the airline, Cebu Pacific, Air Arabia, Fly Dubai. I'm not sure about Emirates. I'll check that one also. You can book your ticket without credit card. They give you another option, payment centers here. There you go. Payment centers. You can pay in the payment centers if you don't have card. So I'll choose the payment center. I'm going to pay this one in payment center. So they give you time 24 hours. You choose the 24 hours. Now the payment centers. You can pay it in 11, 7-Eleven. You can pay it Cebuana. You can pay it in LBC. In UAE, you can pay it in Al Ansari exchange, in UAE exchange. How you can pay this one? So you notice all this one, right? So how you can pay this one? So now I'm selecting this one. I've understand. Submit now. So I'm submitting. They're holding my reservation for 24 hours. There you go. I will show you guys practically to understand how it's worked. There you go. This is the reference number. If you're in the Philippines, you go to Cebuana or LBC, give them this number. Tell them that I have a reservation in Cebu Pacific and I want to pay that. They will check in the system. They will tell you how. They're in UAE. There's 30 dirham charges for this one. So in Philippine, possibly it is 1,000 pesos or 1,500. I'm sure it's less than UAE. That's it. Give them this number. You can pay your ticket. After 5 minutes, you will receive an email, confirm ticket. So now here you can view your own itinerary. So you can check your ticket detail. There you go. This is your ticket. All the detail. Manila, Dubai, Dubai, Manila. Very easy. Check baggage. It shows. I've select 20 kilos. See, I have 20 kilos, 20 kilos. If you have food, it will show here, but I haven't choose the food. So it's not showing here. All the detail here. So if you book it in travel agency or if you book it online, it's same price. Low cost airlines, Fly Dubai, Air Arabia, Cebu Pacific, it is same price if you buy it in travel agency or if you buy it online. If you buy it online, they will charge you 30 dirham for the payment services. If you buy it in travel agency, same. They will charge you for their own service. That much easy. There you go. You have your booking on hold for 24 hours. There you go. This is the booking date. So until next day, the same time, you have time to pay your booking. That's it. Hope you guys understand something, learn something from this video. If you have any question, any suggestion, you can leave comment below the video. We will be in touch with you guys. We will try to help you. Just we are trying to help you guys for a better future. We want you guys to make a career. We want you guys to understand, what you can do. What's your passion? At least you should know what you can do. You should have a specific career, especially in this time, in this situation. You have to know yourself. You have to find yourself. So we're trying to help you. So we are travel agents. So we will help you how to be a travel agent. We will cover every single thing in a travel agency. So after you finish, the tutorials, you will be 100% sure and confident to start working in a travel agency. I wish you guys good luck. Thank you very much for being with us. Please make sure to subscribe the channel to not miss other videos. Have a good day.